turning, twisting movements done in the healthy, well-organized way involve shifting our weight. If I can turn in such a way that I allow my weight to shift toward the leg that I'm turning toward, that helps me to maintain my balance. If I turn and in my feeling of restrictions, I turn my body like one piece. I turn my body like that. Well, then my weight is never moving over to my right leg. I'm staying over my left leg. And that is compromising my balance tremendously. So I think you'll find that with each of the lessons that we do, your comfort with shifting your weight over to the other leg from which you are standing on will improve.